Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Uncovered. This is Antonio, and today we'll help you get some insights on what the Dogecoin is all about. If you're new to the channel, we have other videos explaining the basics of the crypto market and help you get a better understanding of it. Check it out on our Basics playlist. And don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up to help the channel grow and keep us motivated. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is intended to share the basics about Dogecoin. It is not financial advice or buy and sell recommendations. Make sure you understand crypto before you invest. Dogecoin was created in 2013, initially as a joke. It has as a mascot a Shiba Inu dog and turned into one of the most hyped cryptos of 2021. A lot of influential people are commenting about it, including Elon Musk, and this has made the community grow and gained a lot of publicity. But what is Dogecoin all about? Dogecoin is a Litecoin hard fork, which simply means that it uses the Litecoin code with a few changes, and in reality it makes the coin very different from Litecoin. Some of the things that you need to know before you start investing into Dogecoin is that it has an infinite supply, and it can lose its value over time due to this inflation, just like currencies such as dollars and euros. Its current circulating supply is about 129.5 billion and growing. This will create a downward pressure on the price once the hype is over. And the selling point of most cryptos is the complete opposite, and it is their limited supply. Most cryptos, they have a targeted real-world use. However, Dogecoin has very few uses currently. The only thing moving the price is active community purchasing those coins, in the hope that the prices will rise in the future. But bear in mind, this can change at any time with people innovating in the space. Whether the price of Doge is going to continue to rise is very hard to predict, but the fact is that it sits in the number 4 spot in the crypto rank by market cap, which is the market size or amount of money invested into the coin. It sits above coins with phenomenal projects and real-world utility. This coin has seen a 900% increase in the last 22 days alone. This is just insane. Have a look at the live charts for Dogecoin and its measurements. One thing I need to warn you about is that with coins such as Doge, you need to be mentally prepared for these brutal corrections. If you want to get invested in this coin or any other coin that has risen dramatically in the recent months, you need to have a proper trading plan. Have a look at the charts for Dogecoin again, but now the measurement will be showing you simply the correction that happened 2 weeks ago. And in 7 days, the coin has corrected 63%. So make sure you incorporate this into your trading plans or be ready for these drops once you buy a coin that has risen so much like today. This video is intended just to give you an introduction to the world of Doge, this very hyped coin that everyone is talking about. I do not own Doge and neither I intend to own any Doge as it stands, but that does not mean it's not a good investment. It just means I'd rather invest somewhere else at the moment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on the channel. We will see you on the next video.